Hey, what's up, everybody? Nelson here, or Nelmart, rather I say. Um, I wanted to make this audio because I know a lot of people are like really like beating themselves up. So, yeah, thank you. Sorry, pedestrian walking. Oh man, who uses the word pedestrian anymore? Like, what the hell? The guy was walking, wanted to cross, he let me go. But anyway, yeah. Um, I wanted to make this audio, or shall I say video, mainly because oh, by the way, I'm also driving, so yeah. So I mean, of course, I don't, if you guys see my last video, whatever, you guys know that I don't like to put the camera out and then talk while I'm looking at the camera. I like to give focus 100%. And the camera's looking at me. I want to be looking at the camera like I'm actually speaking to someone. I don't talk to someone without giving them eye contact or whatever. But anyway, the main reason for this video, basically audio slash video, whatever you want to call it, is basically I want to talk to you guys because I noticed that a lot of people message me like I'm always down to help anyone and everyone. Like that's just what I like to do. I like to help people. I like to help people. Like if somebody's saying, yo, I'm having a bad day or a shitty day or whatever, hit me up, call me, well, not call me, but like hit me up, like message me, and we can shoot the shit or whatever. We can talk it out. So um a lot of y'all basically like beating yourselves in the head about either losing trades or you know it just not working out for you guys, or whatever the case is, with trading in general. Like, this doesn't have anything to do with me or whatever. I'm just I'm just like, this guy really just cut around me like nothing. Like, what an idiot. um you know uh, you know in general, you guys, you guys like to hit me up, and I don't mind it. I actually like it because I like to help people and let people, make people feel good and just feel appreciated. And I like it. I feed off positive energy off like that. But a lot of you guys and gals, like, you guys are you're making trades. You're doing trades. I'm sorry, I'm just like out of it. I'm thinking like eight things at once. You're placing trades, and then I guess in your trades, you're either not confident that the trade is going to go your way, or you're taking a trade, and it's just like not working for you guys. Now, um, when you take a trade, you have to be 100% sure that you don't just have just one thing that's telling you, oh well, it hit support or it hit resistance. I'm gonna go the opposite way, or whatever the case is. You understand what I'm saying? What you need to do is get like three or four confirmations of your the trade you're about to take. Like, get three or four confirmations. Like it hit resistance or hit support. And it's bouncing off your trend line, and you got some aggressive candlesticks there. And throw some in the bottom window, like some stochastics, some MACD, some RSI, like something that's showing you, that's giving you some type of like indication or confirmation, shall I say, that oh, the trade, or the trend is gonna change or whatever, so you can get to trade. Like, don't beat yourself up because you got a bad trade. Now, I see one thing that really is bad. I'm not gonna say it irks me or nothing, because it doesn't have anything to do with me, but I noticed that a lot of you guys, what you guys do is you guys tend to over trade. And what I mean by over trading is basically you guys have a small account, and listen, a small account isn't 100, 200, 300. I'm sorry, a small account isn't $10, $20, $30. It's a small account is 100, 200, $300. That's a small account. Like, in this Forex game, it's best to start with 3 to 500. That's what everyone basically likes to start up as. I know that a lot of the brokers, they want you to come in at 100, so everybody thinks that's the lowest. That's not the lowest. You have to understand one thing. In a quick second, the second that your trade goes bad and you got a big lot size on, I guarantee you, you're blowing your account. You're blowing your account. Your account is going from 300, 400, 500 to zero, negative. And I'm telling you right now, that margin level, that margin percent, it will strike you out, and you will be in so much heartache and so much pain. You're gonna be kicking your ass. You're gonna be like, why the fuck did I do this? Like, it's just fucking bullshit, and this ain't for me. Like, calm down, don't get emotional, relax. Let me give you one little tip, one little point of advice. All right, this is what I do every time. If I am depositing money into a Forex account for me to trade, in my heart, I am building it up 100%. In my mind, it is already gone. In my mind, it is already gone. And what I mean by that, this asshole does not want to let me go in. I need to go in. Like, what an idiot. All right. Anyway, in my mind, in my heart, I'm gonna build this account. In my mind, I lost it already. I lost the money already. And it's not the fact that my heart and my mind is not in sync. It's the fact that in my heart, I know I'm gonna be a badass trader. I'm gonna make these profits, and I'm not gonna let anything stop me. That's it. Now of course you're gonna lose. Of course everyone loses. If anyone tells you, oh, my win rate is 100%, they fucking lying. That's it. Run the other way. Go into MLM. Go into product selling, whatever. But anyway, in my heart, I'm gonna rape the markets. I'm gonna whip the markets asses. But in my mind, I'm telling myself that the money's gone. I don't have the money anymore. So if it gets lost, it gets lost. Whatever. What I am doing is I'm preparing myself, psychologically, emotionally, to already know that my money is gone. So I know that even though if I put in 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, I am still gonna trade small. Remember, small trades bring in big profits. I mean, you have to think of that like 1 penny method a day. Like doubled every day. If you don't know what that method means, Google it. Like you get 1 penny and you double it every day for 30 days. And what happens is you end up having, over, I think it's like over $5 million or over $3 million. I think it's 5 million. 5 million in 30 days. And that's just is what it is. A lot of y'all, like, you want the instant, that instant paycheck, that instant. Oh, okay, well, I got 300. I'm gonna throw $1 in there, or 50 cents in there, or 20 cents in there, and or even like well, 25. I mean, 10 cents isn't bad, but I wouldn't go there unless like you got like $2,000. That's just my take on it. Everyone's different. I like to leave some leverage in my leverage. You know what I mean? And just be smart about your trading. Be smart. Make sure that when you trade, you know what you're doing. That you're not just throwing money here, throwing money there, and that's it. I mean, if you got hella money, then fine. I mean, if you're trying to hit the lottery with one trade, then hey, so well be it. I mean, it's your call. It's whatever you want to do, But I'm saying, like, from a general standpoint, like from from a real aspect, understand that the market will take you out. The market will 100% take your money, and it will not feel any kind of remorse. It will not feel any kind of remorse. So, don't beat yourself up when you lose, and don't get overexcited when you win, Like, you can go from a $50 or $100 account, or $300 account, $500 account, and you can go and you can go and you can go and immediately just go into $1,000 or whatever, depending on that, and you can actually lose your money like that. You know what I mean? Like, once you gain your money, you actually lose it, and that could definitely like mess you up. You know, so but what you can do, you know, what you can do is, you could just take it easy and then just like automatically like just you know, let your account grow slowly, small. You know what I mean? Don't get to the point where you're like, okay, now you're gonna just automatically, throw in $2 lots or $5 lots or whatever the case is. Big lot sizes or more money, shall I say? Because you now got $1,000 out of that, 300 or 500 or whatever so money you had in there. You know, you want to be safe. You want to be smart. You know, you wanna build your account, and you want to build it slowly. You don't want to go, straight shot 1 million, and I mean, obviously anyone would want to do that, but I mean, like, just like you can gain 1 million, you can lose 1 million. You know what I mean? Like, it's just easy, it's quick, but just be smart, take the time, trade smart, and don't beat yourself up. You know, so you know, do what you got to do, and be easy. So I leave you guys with that, and I want you guys to be better. I want you guys to automatically know, you know, I want you guys to automatically know that you can and you will be a better trader if you start disciplining yourself as far as like, risk management. And that's the main, thing with this. That's the main thing with this. My bad, y'all. I'm at the bank now. Of course, it's Friday. So give me a second. I'll be right with you. Come on, B. All right, y'all. I'm coming right now. All right. All right, cool. All right. Hey, guys. I'm sorry. That was so fucking like messed up, right? Having y'all wait while I'm at the bank. All right. Yeah. So let's get the hell up out of here. All right. So, yeah. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up when you trade. Don't. You know. Be patient. If you haven't watched my other video on, like, what, how like, how to treat yourself when you trade. What the trading is about. Like, you got to be very patient. Trading is not a fast paced thing. Like, it's not meant for you to just jump in the market, and immediately, make $10,000 in a day. I mean, you can do it. Not saying you can't. I'm not saying you can't. But when you are prepared, when you have justified yourself as a great trader, you know you're good. You're solid. You know. But I'm saying, like, starting out, there's so many demo accounts you can open up where you get like 5 million, 100,000, 20,000, 25 grand. Like, flip those, make those into, make a $25,000 one into a million. Like do that. You know. Here's a little tip that I like to do. All right, open an account, right? Open an account and tell yourself, all right, I want to deposit 1,000 or 100, 200, 300, 500, whatever amount you realistically. Let me hide this one. I'm sorry. I'm over here like I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. I'm sorry if y'all didn't hear what I was saying, but let me just say that. Let me say it again. Open up a demo account, right, and flip those. But if you want to really take it to the next step, realistically, when you open a demo, some brokers allow you to do this, some don't. But is not go around until you get this. Ask them that can you lower the amount, whether it be 5 million or 100,000 or even like 10,000, whatever, down to your realistic amount of money that you want to put into the market. So whether it be 300, be 100, whatever, and then tell them that you wanna have like I do 1 to 500 leverage. Some people do 1 to 1,000. I don't recommend it because if you don't know about leverage, really do research on it. Leverage is a double-sided sword. It will cut you when you try to cut it. I'm telling you. I do 1 to 500. I'm fine with that. I can live with that. I'm happy with it. All right. But what I'm trying to say is, open a realistic quotation, realistic demo account. All right, with real fake money. Money that you would really put in a real live account and trade it and flip it. Flip it. And learn from it. Learn how to flip a small account. So like that, like you already know. All right, yeah. Well, I'm good with my trades. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Listen, you want to know when you're good when you get to flip like a $20 account or a $10 account, and you turn that $10 into like 1,000 in 2 days or 1,000 in a week or whatever. You ill, and it could also be luck, yes, but the knowledge behind your trading is what makes you 100% confident, is what makes you a good trader. Scratch out greed, scratch out fear. Those two will eat you alive. They come for good traders. You know, I like, I like, I like to be, I like to be, confident when I trade. I like to, you know, do my trades, you know, top notch. I like to make sure that when I trade, not only, you know, not only am I confident, but I know that my trade will win. You know what I'm saying? Like I automatically want to feel that times 10. I always want to make sure that when I trade, I'm good. You know. So I apologize, guys and gals, if it's very noisy and windy. I got a big ass truck behind me who's eating my ass right now, and the son of a there you go, he's coming around me now. And basically, yeah, I'm like going fast as shit, fucking asswipe. Anyway, y'all probably laughing at me. It's all good. I love it. Anyway, um, yeah. Be patient when you trade. Be knowledgeable of the markets. Learn everything. Reversal candles, support and resistance, um, um, trend lines, uh, moving averages, stochastics, RSI, MACD. Learn all of that. I mean, I love trading naked. That's just what I do. Not. I don't mean trading naked with my ass out. I mean trading naked with no indicators on the chart. I love it. I love it. I mean, it's nothing against indicators and none of that. It's just that you know I feel more exciting, more confident when I got the markets there, and the only one who's telling me anything is the market, and anything that I draw, which is trend lines, support and resistance, stuff like that. The only thing that I probably use as like an indicator would most likely be like an RSI, MACD, or stochastic, But that's what the hell are you doing, bro? Like that's basically like what I like to use, and that's just what I like to have, you know, on my chart. But yeah, what you guys wanna do is just like prepare yourself, like psychologically, like automatically tell yourself, yeah, I'm gonna win in my heart, and I lost the money already in my mind. Just tell yourself that. Just automatically know that. So when you do lose the money, you don't go hanging yourself. Like don't do that shit. You don't go robbing people. None of that shit. Like that's not you. That's not what you want to be. You want to be successful. You want to build it up. You know, small numbers add up. I'm telling you. Listen, you can do you could do 1 cent, and if you play it out right, you can accumulate that by the end. You can accumulate that by the end of the uh the month. I'm telling you, like 20, 25 pips is really all you need, man. Like, if you can make 25 pips a day, man, I'm telling you, you can ask any trader. If you can make 25 successful pips a day, and just stop, you will be so killer in markets. I'm telling you, you'll be so killer in the markets. I'm telling you. Excuse me. Oh God, God bless. But yeah, just be patient, know what you want, know what you have to do, and acknowledge yourself of the markets, acknowledge yourself of everything that the market has to offer. You know, YouTube, Google has a whole bunch of information out there. Read books on forex trading. Read books on everything. I guarantee you, you soak up so much knowledge. You look at the markets in a whole different way. You want the market to just boom, click, and just tell you, oh man, like it's a wrap. I'm about to make hella money. You know what I mean? But just um just be confident. That's it. That's the number one thing. Be confident and be very very knowledgeable of the market. You know, don't beat yourself up. I have a lot of people. They hit me up. They say, hey man, you're killing it. Oh how how'd you know it was gonna reverse? How'd you know it was gonna do this? Blah blah blah. And not to sound mean when I say blah 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 or nothing like that. It's just like they say more than just that. But you know I love it. I love that. I love when they tell me that. Because I know I'm doing good. But at the same time, I get the people who say, "Yo, you know, I messed up. Like I over traded my lot size and this and that." And there's nothing wrong with them because I've been there. I've been like that. So I do not judge. This is why I love making these kind of videos. Because if you're listening to this and you're having this kind of trouble, come to me. I don't care whether you're on or you're not on my team. I don't care. Like I don't care what it is. I'm here to help. I've always been here to help. Since day one, and everyone knows that. But yeah, um, yeah. Just do your due diligence behind the research of forex. You know, learn it, master it, make it your baby, and treat it like a business. Because if you don't treat it like a business, guess what? You're not gonna get paid like a business. And you know what? This is my baby. This is my business. I'm gonna rock this shit the fuck out. Excuse my French. But yeah. I've been cursing the whole damn thing, and I'm sorry. Yeah, just do what you gotta do. You hear? And if you guys want to hit me up, hit me up. My name is Nelmart. You can catch me on Facebook as Catching Pips. For now, I got to change my name. I don't know why the hell I changed my name. Facebook had me do it. I don't know why, but that's the name I chose. Like an idiot. I don't know. But anyway, Catching Pips. That's CATCHIN space PIPS. Catching Pips. Um, um, and yeah, and also you can find me like on Nelmart 718 Facebook, both of those, and you can also um catch my YouTube channel. All right, and yeah, just